losses for the students who are studying in Nehu.
Hakawai pat kebenta ka Kynthoh Jong ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehuta kala Kynthoh ya ki Nongialam Jong ka Voice of the People's Party ki balet banya kendo ya UVC ka Nehu u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla klem daya peliu jingmut syuabat ki samla pule ki balaya ki u President ka Nehuta u lakon kema u laong bakate ka jingle kalong kabom dan kam Uba kemau la kedoru bagi samla puli ki bedang beteng ya ke jing syak tangan ki las ngorem banyo i ki beriu banabar ki balet ya kendu UVC klem daya kren syabat ki kama shwa kani husu kalapen pau bakam kwa bandon batuklar ya ki kam bahapo Jong ka skul ba da menu ki banabar.
But the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which they feel very, very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt. Because they are on hunger strike, and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come out with solution. They may have submitted a list of solutions, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to Nehu now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for the students.